The Sun has been behaving impossibly for 5 years. NASA is hiding the data from you. Solar observatories detect anomalies that violate everything we know about stellar physics today. The FBI shut down Sunspot Solar Observatory with no explanation, closed for 11 days. What they found was so disturbing that multiple governments coordinated a complete cover-up. The Sun isn't burning through nuclear fusion. It's something else entirely controlling our star. Evidence suggests our Sun might be artificially controlled, a managed star system above us. Tonight, I'll show you solar data proving everything you learned about stars is wrong.
The Sun is unstable.
This is the story of the impossible star that gives us life every single day. Standard science says the Sun is nuclear fusion, hydrogen atoms fusing into helium continuously. Fusion should produce specific neutrinos, solar wind, and electromagnetic radiation in predictable patterns. For 50 years we've measured the Sun's output. Nothing matches nuclear fusion models. The Solar Neutrino Problem. We detect only 1/3 of fusion neutrinos that should exist. Scientists invented neutrino oscillation to explain missing particles. This creates more impossible problems. The Sun's corona is 300 times hotter than its surface. This violates thermodynamics. Heat flows from hot to cold. The atmosphere shouldn't be hotter than source. NASA explains this with magnetic field reconnection, never observed in laboratory conditions anywhere. The Sun's magnetic field reverses every 11 years, like perfect clockwork for centuries. Nuclear reactors don't have magnetic cycles, yet our Sun maintains precise 11-year rhythm. The Carrington event of 1859, the largest solar storm in recorded human history. Telegraph wires sparked, causing fires worldwide. Aurora appeared as far south as Caribbean islands. The solar storm lasted exactly 18 hours, then stopped abruptly, like someone flipped switch. Natural magnetic storms fade gradually. They don't shut off like controlled electrical equipment. Richard Carrington observed the solar flare had geometric patterns, organized shapes in plasma. Geometric patterns don't appear in chaotic plasma. They suggest controlled energy release systems. Modern solar observatories detect similar geometric patterns in current solar flares every day. The patterns repeat in mathematical sequences, prime numbers, Fibonacci spirals, deliberate organization structures. Quiz time. How much hotter is the Sun's corona than its visible surface? 300 times hotter. Corona reaches 2 million degrees, surface only 6,000 degrees. September 2018, the FBI evacuated Sunspot Solar Observatory in New Mexico completely. No warning, no explanation given. Armed agents cleared facility and posted guards 11 days. Official story: janitor downloading illegal content, so they shut down National Solar Observatory. This makes no sense. You arrest individuals, not close entire scientific research facilities. They detected something in solar data that triggered immediate national security response protocols. Independent astronomers worldwide reported unusual solar activity during exact shutdown period consistently. Geometric patterns in solar flares, structured radio emissions, impossible energy signatures detected. The data was classified. Observatory staff signed agreements. Records remain sealed today. Quiz 2. How long was Sunspot Solar Observatory closed by federal agents? 11 days.
Long enough to confiscate data
and establish new monitoring protocols. Electric universe theory proposes stars are powered by cosmic electrical currents, not fusion. This explains corona temperature, neutrino deficit, and magnetic field behavior perfectly. Electric universe model. Sun is electrical discharge phenomenon in cosmic plasma circuit. This makes Sun's behavior controllable by manipulating electrical input from deep space. Evidence. Birkeland currents detected throughout galaxy by radio telescopes. Electrical space highways. These currents carry enormous power across light years in organized helical structures. Our solar system intersects these currents. Sun's energy output could be controlled. Satellite data confirms we're moving through region of increased electrical activity. The local bubble where we live shows signs of electrical organization and structure. Ancient cultures described Sun differently. They called it the controlled fire from above. Egyptian hieroglyphs show Sun with geometric rays in precise patterns, not random radiation. Mayan calendars track solar cycles with precision, requiring understanding of electrical behavior. Mayans predicted solar maximum and minimum with accuracy nuclear models can't achieve. Vedic texts describe Sun being fed by cosmic rivers of fire, similar to currents. Ancient descriptions suggest advanced understanding of Sun's true electrical nature and control. Quiz 3. What do Egyptian hieroglyphs show about solar radiation patterns?
Correct answer.
Geometric rays in precise patterns. Organized energy, not chaotic, suggesting controlled emission.
That's impossible.
NASA's Solar Observatory captured footage challenging everything about stellar physics completely. Cubic structures in solar plasma. Geometric formations lasting hours. Impossible in fusion. Plasma physicists admit these structures shouldn't exist. They violate every solar model. Structures respond to external signals. Form, maintain geometry, then dissolve systematically. This suggests Sun's plasma is controlled by external electromagnetic field systems. Solar wind analysis reveals non-random organization, mathematical sequences in particle emission. Solar wind carries information, structured data embedded in particle streams reaching Earth. SETI analyzes solar wind for artificial intelligence signatures. Initial results are classified. Theory 1. Sun operates on nuclear fusion. All anomalies have natural explanations. This requires ignoring neutrino problems, corona temperature, cycles, and geometric structures. Theory 2. Sun is electrical phenomenon powered by cosmic currents, naturally controllable. Theory 3. Our Sun is artificially managed, explaining impossible precision and anomalies. Management theory explains regular cycles, geometric flares, and classified observatory data. Final quiz. What mathematical patterns appear in modern solar flares consistently? Prime numbers and Fibonacci spirals. Organized sequences suggesting deliberate control, not chaos. The Sun violates stellar physics. Its behavior suggests external control and management. Government observatories classify data. Ancient cultures described electrical solar management systems. I analyzed 3 months of data, research, and leaked documents about solar anomalies. I can't prove who controls it. Evidence for artificial solar management is overwhelming. When you see sunset tonight, you're looking at controlled star. Next, Jupiter's impossible moons.